Are you absolutely sure your tax affairs are in order? Because just one hidden issue on your SARS profile could delay your entire process and quietly cost you money in the background. Hi, my name is Alex Mahundla. I'm a SARS compliance specialist and a registered tax practitioner. In this video, I'm going to cover what is a tax diagnostic report, why is it critical before starting any SARS process, and the hidden risk it uncovers most clients do not know about. What is a tax diagnostic report? One of the first and most important steps we take when assisting any client is conducting what we call a tax diagnostic, which results in a tax diagnostic report. Think of this as a full SARS health check. It gives us a clear overview of your tax position before any action is taken. Most clients come to us with a specific request, whether it is a formalizing your non-tax residency or reactivating your tax number, updating of your SARS profile, or resolving any outstanding tax return. But before we move forward with any of that, we first need to understand what exactly is happening on your SARS profile. That is what the tax diagnostic report is designed to do. It gives us a clear picture of your SARS compliance check, forms the foundation for the next steps. Why it is critical before starting any SARS process? This step is crucial because many people try to jump straight into a SARS process without fully understanding their tax position. And that is where delays, complication, and unnecessary cost often begin. As part of the tax diagnostic, we assess your full tax position, including your SARS registered status, your historic filings, income records, and your current tax residency status. We also verify that your personal details are up to date, including your overseas address, email address, and contact details, so that you do not miss any important communication from SARS. In addition, we identify any outstanding tax returns, compliance risk, or any administrative issues that could affect your matter. We also conduct a CIPC check to determine whether you are linked to any companies or directorships that may have tax implications. By doing all of this upfront, we can identify problems early, make sure that the correct process is followed from the start. The hidden risk it uncovers that most clients do not even know about. This is where the tax diagnostic report becomes especially important. In many cases, clients are completely unaware of what we can uncover on their SARS profile. This can include outstanding tax return, incorrect personal details, unresolved compliance issues, or links of companies or directories that may impact your tax position. It can also uncover penalties, fines, and interest that may already be accumulated in the background without the client even realizing that. If these issues are not identified early, they can delay the entire process and make the matter far more expensive to resolve later. What seems like a SARS compliance request quickly becomes much more complicated when hidden issues come to light halfway through the process. And that is why the tax diagnostic report is important, because it helps uncover these risks before they become bigger problems. What happens after a tax diagnostic report is issued out? All of the findings are then summarized in your tax report. This report clearly outlines your current compliance status, the exact next step required to regulate your tax affairs. It gives you a clarity, helps you avoid unnecessary delays, and ensures that everything is handled in a structured, compliant, and efficient way. If you are planning to take any steps with SARS, whether it's a non-tax residency, compliance, or resolving your tax issues, do not take action blindly, because what you don't know on your SARS profile can delay your process and cost you money. Get your tax diagnostic report started today before delays turn into costly problems. Reach out to Tax Consulting South Africa today. Click on this link to find out more.